Let's go through LeetCode 1428, leftmost column with at least one. This question gives us a binary matrix. It is called a row-sorted binary matrix. That is, what is row-sorted is that for each row, the number will be in ascending order. The number is a binary matrix. That is, for each row, it can be either 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So 0, the part of 0 will always be ahead of the part of 1. So we are, it asks us to look in for the leftmost index. For example, the first question, let's say this one, the leftmost index is 0, so it returns 0. This one is 1. And for this one, there is no row, no index which has number 1, so it will return -1. Of course, we can do brute force way to solve this question, but we notice there is one question, one sentence here. Submission make more than 1,000 calls to binary matrix get will be judged wrong answer. So we'll see the rows and columns, they are in a range 100. And if we do brute force to iterate from the left to right every row, so it will be O m multiplied by n. So let's say the m is the column number, n is the row number. It will be O m multiplied by n. That is brute force. So let's say this n and m, this range may get it a wrong answer. So we can do, because there is the condition that every row it is monotonic, that is the 1 is always on the right part. So we can do for each row do a binary search. And so in this case, we just iterate every row. So row is n row, and for every row, it will be an log m operation to binary search. So the time complexity will be O m multiplied by log n. So this is 100. So this is less log 100. It will be less than 10. So it will be smaller than 10,000. So let's write a question, write the answer, write the code for this. Firstly, we write if binary matrix equals null, we just return -1. So let's get this array. Let's get its dimension. We know this binary matrix, it has get dimensions. Let's get its dimensions first. Yes. So the row equals get there. How many columns will be 81, right? So let's assume initially we have the leftmost equals m, right? So for each row, let's try to iterate by the row. As it for each row equals 0, rows smaller than n, row plus plus. Just do the binary search for the columns. Let's have int current leftmost equals left. Leftmost. Because I am. Let me see. We want to see for every row it's leftmost. Let's have the m. So int start equals 0, right equals and minus 1, right? While start plus 1, some of the should start in mid equals start plus and start divided by 2. So if binary matrix it this row mid, if it equals if this one equals 1, right? Means the 1 may still be on the left. So we have the end equals mid. So else start equals mid. So after this while loop, we want to find the first one, which is 1, right? So if start equal binary matrix, it start row start equals 1. That means our current leftmost will be start, right? Else and leftmost. Actually, we cannot use else because that means by default the end will be 1. So I say else if because the end can still be 0. I'll say else if binary matrix with row end plus 1. I'll say leftmost equals right. So if these two conditions means at least start or end will have 1. So we'll say for every row, we'll update the leftmost equals main leftmost current leftmost. So it is possible this leftmost still be M, right? So if this M, return leftmost equals to m. The m that is -1, otherwise we return leftmost. And -33. Binary variable binary matrix. Oh, dimensions. This is this a method? I think this should be something like this, right? So should be. This seems not a property. Seems a method. Okay, so for this, the time complexity will be OA multiplied log M. The space complexity, no actual, right? No actual space.